The financial world of the wealthy often holds discrete strategies that aren't widely disclosed. These practices, though not necessarily hidden, contribute to the mystique surrounding wealthy individuals. From complex financial structures and strategic debt usage to exclusive networks and philanthropy for influence, these secrets shape the nuanced world of wealth management. Understanding these discrete practices provides insights into how the wealthy navigate their financial landscapes, managing risks, seizing opportunities, and preserving their legacies with a level of secrecy that adds an air of intrigue to the world of wealth. So, let's start. Number 10. Global citizenship. While the concept of global citizenship is not necessarily a secret, some wealthy individuals strategically leverage it for various benefits. Wealthy people may hold multiple passports or residence permits, allowing them to access a range of advantages. These may include favorable tax jurisdictions, diverse business opportunities, and the ability to tailor their lifestyle to international standards. The flexibility of global citizenship provides a level of mobility and adaptability that may not be widely known. This strategic use of multiple citizenships contributes to the nuanced and often discreet practices of the wealthy in managing their affairs on a global scale. Number 9. Inheritance planning. Inheritance planning is a discreet practice among the wealthy, often not widely discussed. Wealthy individuals meticulously structure their estates to navigate tax implications and ensure seamless wealth transfer across generations. Utilizing trusts, family-limited partnerships, and other legal mechanisms, they strategically protect assets from excessive taxation and potential disputes. This foresighted approach to inheritance planning enables the preservation of family wealth, facilitates the smooth transition of assets, and may include provisions for philanthropy. While not a secret, the intricacies of these plans are not always publicly disclosed, contributing to the perception that inheritance planning is a discreet and nuanced aspect of wealth management. Number 8. Alternative investments. Alternative investments represent a facet of wealth management often discreetly employed by the wealthy. Beyond traditional stocks and bonds, the wealthy strategically diversify their portfolios with alternative assets like private equity, hedge funds, or real estate. These investments offer lower correlation to mainstream markets, providing a hedge against volatility. While not hidden, the complexities and exclusivity of alternative investments may be less known to the public. The wealthy leverage these sophisticated strategies to potentially enhance returns, minimize risk, and access opportunities not readily available to the average investor, contributing to the perception of exclusivity surrounding alternative investment practices. Number 7. Education and mentorship. Education and mentorship form discrete pillars of success for the wealthy. Access to elite education, whether through prestigious institutions or private tutors, provides unique advantages in networking and career opportunities. Wealthy individuals often strategically seek influential mentors whose guidance can be transformative. These mentors may provide insights, connections, and valuable advice not readily available to the general public. The combination of tailored education and influential mentorship contributes significantly to the success trajectories of the wealthy, fostering a level of insight and strategic thinking. Number 6. Lifestyle management. Lifestyle management is a discrete aspect of wealth that the wealthy strategically navigate. High net worth individuals meticulously curate their public image, often revealing only a curated glimpse of their lives. They may employ personal branding, image consultants, and tailored social media strategies to control their narrative. The intricacies of their daily routines, leisure activities, and personal expenditures are managed with precision to maintain a desired public perception. While not necessarily secrets, the deliberate orchestration of lifestyle details reflects a conscious effort to mold perceptions. Number 5. Strategic debt usage. Strategic debt usage is a discrete financial practice among the wealthy. While not a secret, wealthy individuals often employ debt strategically to leverage investment opportunities and enhance returns. They may utilize low-interest loans to finance ventures, real estate acquisitions, or business expansions, optimizing their capital structure. This sophisticated approach allows them to multiply wealth through smart leveraging, using borrowed funds to generate higher returns than the cost of debt. The intricacies of this financial strategy, including risk management and timing, may not be widely discussed, contributing to the perception that strategic debt usage is a nuanced and less known aspect of wealth accumulation. Number 4. Philanthropy for influence. Philanthropy for influence is a discrete strategy among the wealthy. While philanthropy is often viewed positively, some wealthy individuals strategically leverage charitable activities to shape public perception, build influence, and establish social standing. This practice, while not universally applied, underscores the multifaceted nature of philanthropy, where altruism may intertwine with strategic objectives. Number 3. Networks and opportunities. Networks and opportunities are secret assets among the wealthy. While not intentionally hidden, wealthy individuals strategically cultivate exclusive networks, gaining access to unique opportunities beyond public purview. The strategic utilization of these connections becomes a discrete advantage, contributing to business success, lucrative investments, and career advancements. The wealthy understand the power of influential networks in navigating complex environments, creating a level of exclusivity that may not always be evident to those outside these privileged circles. Number 2. Asset protection. Asset protection serves as a covert strategy among the wealthy, safeguarding their wealth from potential risks and legal liabilities. Wealthy individuals employ intricate legal structures, trusts, and offshore accounts to shield their assets from litigation, creditors, or unforeseen financial challenges. While not a secret, the complexities of these protective measures are often discreetly managed. The nuanced world of asset protection is intricately woven into the fabric of wealth management. Number 1. Financial structures. Financial structures are secret elements in the wealth management toolkit of the wealthy. While not intentionally hidden, the wealthy employ complex financial architectures to optimize their holdings. These structures often involve trusts, holding companies, and offshore accounts, strategically reducing tax liabilities and shielding assets. The deliberate use of sophisticated financial structures contributes to the perception that the wealthy possess undisclosed methods to navigate the intricate landscape of wealth management, preserving and growing their assets with a level of secrecy. And that wraps up our journey through the secrets that rich people do not want you to know. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for our next exciting video.